Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani once again lapha emakhaya, wherever you are, guys. This is the time, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. Soweto Podcast, as you know by now, it is the show that you love. It is the show that you always want to lock yourself into. So guys, I want to say this, you are welcome. You are very much welcome. Namkelekile kaloku apha emakhaya, namkelekile kaloku apho nikhona khona, apho nijonge khona iSoweto Podcast. Guys, thank you so much. At this point in time, I would like to say thank you so much for support. Thank you so much for finding us worthy for you to watch. You know, as much as it's sikhuluma ngeyibhoko, into eziwiyedi, ama-paranormal. But you love them. So we thank you guys for tuning in. And with the same note, we just like to say, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button before to share our stories. Let us know what you think. Yeah, let us grow together. Wafethu. Sister Mujani. All right, God. Awesome. Usivakashele today.
Ngilivakashele namhlanje.
No, siyabonga ukuthi ube khona. How did you hear about Soweto Podcast?
I met someone and then one approach about they have seen me on radio, so ufuna ukuthi ngingene kuma podcast so that I can teach people.
They've seen you on radio?
Yes.
Okay.
So wathi ufuna ukuthi ngibe on ngishare whatever that I know, the knowledge enginayo nabantu. So then wase wathi ke uzongi-invite kuma podcast.
Okay.
Yes.
What is invited to this podcast in
yes,
particular?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, let me just do this quickly. All right, this one? Yeah, no. So let us tell the whole lot. So
okay.
Umuntu we-radio?
No, angiyena umuntu we-radio. It's just that I have a show on Go LXFM. I do live readings on air.
Okay,
11 to 12.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How is it?
Ihamba kahle, yonke into right. I'm loving it. Yes.
Which FM is this?
LXFM 89.1.
Alexa Sekomar.
Yes,
Komara.
Yes.
Wow. It's a celebrity today. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
All right, so let us make our viewers know your story. Tell ukuthi gama ubani nesibongo ubani uphuma kuphi umntana onjani ukhula umntana onjani.
Okay. My name is Lemorile Bulethamai Mvundla. Originally, I'm from the Free State, Volcom Tabong, but ekhaya kula Ellens, extension 13 Ellens.
Okay.
So yes, I'm a medium prophet. I do live readings, I do face-to-face consultations, and also kakhulu ngisebenza ngamathuna. I deal with graveyard altars. That's my yelapang specialize kakhulu.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So in a nutshell,
okay.
Just one, if you sum it up, what do you do? What is your specialty?
Kakhulu ngi-specialize ngamathuna because ngicabanga ukuthi a lot of people do not understand ukuthi amathuna asebenza kanjani and the bad side of ubuthakathi buyenzwa emathuneni. Yes, so there are a lot of things that ezenzakalayo emathuneni. So mina ngi-specialize kakhulu kuma-altars. I don't know if you understand mangithi ama-altars.
I'm sure you'll just...
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mangithi ama-altars ngikhuluma ngokuthi I'm going to make an example. Sometimes you'll find that ukuthi umndeni wonke ne awusebenzi okanye abanye they will work for 1 month, after that umuntu akhona uyeka umsebenzi or asebenze for a year mhlambe aqoshwe because of bekadakiwe or angasafuni ukuya emsebenzini. So a lot of people they think ukuthi whatever situation enzakalayo when you, let's say we are qoshwa manje emsebenzini, they feel like okay into yenziwe manje, so they don't know, they don't go deep kakhulu ukuthi what is the real problem, you understand? Because me now I'm using a spiritual calendar. I was born with the gift, so I'm using a spiritual calendar. So if I want to go deep, I start from 1940 up to now.
1940.
Yes, that's how even my live readings I do that. So spiritual altars, graveyard altars. So you'll find that ukuthi umuntu uyaya esangomeni athi yena I'm having issues as in emsebenzini abasantandi or ngixoshiwe, and even my things, my breakthrough doesn't last. Into zifana nalezo, you know, you have a lot of rejections, limitations, backstabs and stuff. And then when you go to a sangoma or a spiritual healer or even myself, a medium prophet, people normally say unesitho okanye into zakho azihambi kahle. So umuntu uzophuma lapha endumbeni knowing ukuthi unesitho, but he or she doesn't know ukuthi what really happened. So what people do nowadays, bathatha, okay, you go to a spiritual healer, then athi okay fine, yazi ngifuna ukuthi lo muntu ongenze kanje ngifuna ukuthi ngimsebenze nami. So instead of giving umuntu umuthi ngesandla ukuthi do 1 2 3, then isangoma sisothatha umhlabathi wasemathuneni and then get mhlambe iskipa, normally they use a t-shirt or an under or a face lap name, a towel, then they cut it, mix it nomhlabathi wasemathuneni, right? And I'm now talking about graveyard altars. So they mix it, then what they do, uzothatha yonke into ayihlanganisa, then ayisebenzise umuthi to create what tokoloshi, right? And that tokoloshi, here it is. Now you name it, right? We pick gama, and then you put each and every person ongafuni ukuthi aphumelele, right? Then you go and take it and put it back emathuneni. There are so many altars emathuneni. When you go to uye ku funeral, you must check. You'll find that most of amathuneni lawa are abandoned, even the ones that are not covered, ngama whatever. They have a lot of altars. That's where I come in. So what I do, I now do a graveyard consultation. Either I go straight or I use a mirror reading, right? But most of the time I prefer I go straight so that I can really see. Then that's when I will tell you this grave is not right, and then there's something in Zagala at the side. So what I'm saying is, people, they use what you call into this ningi in the graves to block your ways, you know. So when you think you don't know your name was put at that was created, and now if I get my name, you know. Yes, that's when mina ngizofika ke ngihlole ukuthi okay is iliphi ithuna lesebenze ngawe, you know, and stuff. Then I will remove that altar. Yes, then izinto zibe right. Specialize ngalokho kakhulu ama-2.
Also, let me just ask this quickly. Okay. So, Motu hafika.
Yes.
And then, let me say you decide to go direct.
Yes.
Into the graveyard.
Yes.
And then hafika, there's thousands.
Yes.
Thousands of people that have passed on Mole.
Yes.
So, how do you then tell Hore, okay, mukete libitso la hao li fasitse on that and into
normally the altar, yes, normally ha ke kena ko mabitleng, most of the time if ke sebetsa lebitla or maybe ke le lebitleng la someone ke lo sebetsa lona, all right, most of the time manya emathuneni ne, what I normally pick up is what I'll be going there to come and help you, right? But I'll find that good now. I'm communicating with a lot of spirits now because now babafuni sizo. Some of these graves are not graves. They're demons that are pretend to be ancestors. We are putting it. Sometimes you can uphahla abantu bagini, your mom, your father, whoever who passed away that you knew could loved you so much. And you knew good magahamba, obvious, because people misunderstood is bungoma. Let me just say the spiritual life and the living, the way I live, if mina I'm a breadwinner in my home, ekaya, I'm still gonna be a breadwinner because ngizobanakekela. So if you left here, umalume wami ungangithandi, there is no way that mawusoshonile uzongithanda, right? So now if they see ukuthi my mom passed away, God forbid, I'm making an example. So babone ukuthi okay, mom ushonile, and then I'm always going to the grave ukuthi ngiphahlele yena ukuthi angincede ngento zami zempilo. So what they do, basebenza ithuna ukuthi wena ungabi ne connection nalo muntu loyo. That is why it's very important. Ukuphahla emathuneni is risky. Because you don't know who to phahlela in. You don't know whether you are pathling for a demon that is pretending to be an ancestor. You don't know if you are phahlela spirits that are there waiting to attack anyone
that comes in.
Exactly. That is why ituna uyalivikela. Yeah. So by doing so mele ulisebenze ngaphakathi utshwanetse ulibereke kufatshe le kodimo ngaphansi nangaphakathi. Yabo. Yes.
So, Osoka, let us talk about, before we go any deeper,
Yes.
let us talk about people that have come into you needing help. How many people do you see, and what are the most common things that you're dealing with?
Okay, normally, let me just say, amathuna esengiyasebenzile is either abantu babulelwe. You know, people come to me and say, I'm not happy with my brother's death. Then I will tell her ukuthi ngicela ukuthi siye emathuneni ngo-check ukuthi kwenzeni.
Ashisa Anita Flawless?
I will tell you ukuthi asiye emathuneni so check ukuthi before you tell me ukuthi ushoni ubulelwe, let me confirm spiritually so that ingafaki izinto ngendlela wrong, because remember ukuthi nami I need to protect myself ngiyodila nemeya eminingi, right? And I'm not even sure ukuthi lo muntu ongiyongichecka ume kanjani, you know. So what I do, I'll go to the graveyard, then ngihlole ithuna. Then if my ancestors allow me to do that ritual, because it's very dangerous, I think it's because mina I trust my power and my energy, you know, because a lot of people will be like, no, because risky. It's not risky because I trust my energy and my power, you know, so that's what I do.
Give us one story, sorry to disturb.
Okay.
Just one story of someone you've helped, like a story was dealing with something.
Like that?
Yeah, like that, an example. You don't have to say her name or anything.
Okay. Into efana naleyo ne, I did umunye mama in Potchefstroom. Is it Rodiport? Potchefstroom, yes. Bekangitshela ukuthi ingane yakhe ibulelwe because mina I felt like no, I don't think ubulelwe because ingane been 4 years. So the way I showing ngakhona, he was bekaloku athi ingane ivele yaphuma igazi emakhaleni nasemlomeni. Then I'm like, maybe bekagula, maybe there was an internal thing, a medical problem. Then he kept on saying ngizomnceda. Then I went kuye. Then the first thing that I picked up before there was a picture. The child started crying, saying, you understand? So I'm connecting nalengani. He's saying so I just want to tell you ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi ufuna ngenzeni, then wangitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngiyenze njani ngilungisele lithuna ukuthi umuntu wakhona asilwele ingane isilwele. So apparently I did that, I think last year August, and then because they were suspecting a family ne, but mina mangifika lapha I didn't see any family member doing any bad thing to the child. I saw a different person. So I confronted the family ngathi this is what I'm seeing, ingane ishonile vele through food. You understand? But I see family. So my ancestors, when I got to the graveyard, they showed me a different person. Then later on, I think after 3 months, then umama there's a person who died and I say family, relative. They are just sharing same names and is a close friend of hers. Yes. Because when I did ritual ingani isilwele, the spirit of the child must fight. Yeah.
Meaning, as the child has passed on,
yeah,
the spirit can be able to
fight itself. The child must fight on its own without involving a lot of people. Now what I did, if you can go, I think I've posted that on my videos, maybe Sasekon. What I did in 72, I did whatever ritual that I was taught in Mozambique. Then I did that. And then later on, and then yes. And now I'm believing Gucci kuhamba kanjani, because I even argued with them. You know, I'm not gonna lie into family because I'm not seeing any family member. I'm just seeing somebody that you are close, but I'm Maz. Yes.
So okay, you did describe
yeah.
Is it something you describe what you've done, or is it something that you can like change? Can you reverse utikoloshi? You can also create, or you always say, I think you know what I'm asking.
So yeah, I know what you're saying. All right, I think as far Mina, I'm not a sangomane, I'm a prophet medium, but in the in seven sangai is because umuntu o began trainer, you know, she's from Mozambique, Umam Sarah Kondowe. So itokoloshi mustn't scare you. Yes. I can live with tokology mangtanda. I'm just making an example. Tokology is something that you create yourself. Ne? Then Tina ngendlela ebangibonise ngakhona, or let me just say, if I'm supposed to do itokology, I'm gonna use Ola. Akithi na bayibitsanga but eMozambique but Ola is sort of
Ice cream.
no.
Oh.
Ki umuthi o strong kakhulu, and this muthi ubuya from different countries.
Okay.
You understand? Now umuthi lo usebenza emathuneni, so you create itokology ngawo. You understand? Itokology is just a pop man. This thing you you keep popping in a fella. We are a creator. So what you do, the danger of itokology, especially my semathuneni. Now you came to me. You're a client. Now I'm saying, okay, I have some sementing itokology. I'm not gonna give you anything. When a week, right? Let me do it my way. Then I'll go to the graveyard. In fact, I'll go personally get that. And then ufuna limitations. Like, do you know that there's some people who would mabayenza, or let me just say, umuntu maga aba right namhlanje, after a week akasekho right, inkinga zakhe zimane zilandela. No. Okay. Your breakthrough doesn't last. When I was 2 weeks, our last kuma relationships. I'm just making an example ukuthi depending ukuthi ritual yakho ngizoyenza kanjani. Now if you are saying to me ngicela nje ukuthi lo muntu lo angasebenzi ngoba ungilimazile, what normally happens now, I will create itokology, right? Ngenze example, then get umhlabathi emathuneni and mix mhlambe neskipa somuntu sedabukile, but that t-shirt or towel or whatever, it mustn't come from a dustbin or whatever. Imele ibuye from ehlathini, like those places whereby balahlela ditoti. Ntotse o ke tsona tse ba di berekisang. I'm explaining hore na tokology are not me, guys. Okay. Yeah, so now utlaenka uzoyithatha ayihlanganise, right? Yes. Yes, go back to the ndumba. Now what happens is that it depends ukuthi isangoma, or let me just say a spiritual healer usebenzisa what kind of umuthi regarding itokology. Like I said in Mozambique, how I was taught, because itokology can also protect you and also destroy. It's not only the bad side. You understand? Okay. So now I'll mix that and then ngithathe all and you mix it. Then write each and every person's name, abe destroyed, whether it's going to be blocking her from getting a job, limitations, rejections. Kisona straight okanye yeah. Nyama, something like that. Then after creating it, then I'm gonna put it in the graveyard. Ni keep the lab. But then when I was so ready, I'm now gonna command it. Go and do this. I'm using commandation. You understand? Go and do this. Already namakama ngithi sengiyicommanda ngiyayitshela. This the way tokology lisebenza ngadingi. That's where I come in, because I realize that a lot of people baphelelwa umsebenzi, imshado I last. There are a lot of problems kubantwana babantu, they get to tax. Some of these problems, they're not made, they didn't choose that. It's because they have created their names inside amatokology to command ukuthi yabolo mangati 6 years ngifuna nje aqale asokolise lona umsebenzi khohlwa lona ngifuna ukuthi ashade abuye emshadweni, like those kind of families. That's how they operate. It's not something you can't do that ngomuthi kanjalo and you think it will work. They can't tell you. People, they use tokology to command each and everything. It's like when you read the Bible, you command God to you like you speak life to yourself. Ne? We are shooting. My kids must not suffer. My kids must get married. My mom must not be sick. My family, all that. It's the same thing. When you command that powerful spirit, somuntu ofuna kummoshela.
Also.
So mina ngifika ngenze njani ngilungise, I reverse that. You understand?
You specialize
in reversing. I am not going to do that. So I reverse all those altars that are planted in emathuneni.
So Okay, with the right information,
Yes.
you have the right information. Let's say, for instance, I have the right money.
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me?
To do someone bad?
Create, yes.
No, I don't. You know why? I don't know how to explain this. There are some things that I cannot do. Yes, there are some things that I cannot do. In fact, if you come to me, uthi ufuna ukudlisa umuntu, right? You wanna ifuna umuthi okubulala abantu, those kind of. I'm not judging anyone. I'm a mother. I wouldn't want someone's child to have a problem. That's why I'm saying mina kahle kahle ngispecialize. Ngikhipha yonke into. Yes. Because I wouldn't want someone to do that. The reason why I'm explaining this is because I think a lot of people need to understand. I did a reading yomuntu, I think last week. And normally what I do nowadays, I don't take out dates. I used to give you the date, the time and whatever using a mirror. Then I realized angisafuna ukusebenzisa imirror because now I'm distracted, right? Because each and every time when I do a reading and ngitshela umuntu lokuthi this is what is happening is and I'll give you the name. They will start calling at work ukuthi uprofet ukhiphe igama lomuntu manje mhlambe senyala, because I'll tell you the name if I want to do that. So I don't know. Kulamalanga I just do a normal reading because angifuna ukuthi abantu baqabane, because isibuko skipper yonke into. So if you can follow me and check, yeah, I give you the names.
Isibuko like isn't like speed mirror consultations.
Yes, I do that. Yes. I do that.
Okay, I'll see. I like what Abuti, the question that he asked you, because I'm sure you've come across many a times.
Yes.
To say, look, my case is this, and then when
yes.
I hear you. What is stopping you from you not helping me? Look, my ex family members that I love close to me passed on. 1, 2, 3, 4, pass on. Please, the money I have, they've taken half of my family, just one person. What is stopping you from not doing that, helping me?
Okay. Another thing that I didn't mention. Oh, all right. Instead of, let's say, are you saying if family like ayikho and then agana mali?
No, I'm saying, you are anti-destruction, and I'm saying, I want you to distract this particular person.
Yeah.
Ne? Unkile family yaka kaufela, kitlile ko yona okay, ntate, this is the person who did this. Yes.
Oh, okay. What I do now, I go straight again to emathuneni. Right? Ngizosebenza amathuna lawa like I'm gonna kitlo bereka libitla la muthu o elungu ubulayiwe. Kuba ayitwanele. But in this case angaze ngithola abantu babaningi bathi family yonke ibulelo yes.
So bakhona itwanela those people that have passed on.
Yes, ngizolisebenza ngaphakathi nangaphandle.
How sadikena wena mo?
Akisadikena because now if you can check from the beginning, kize kisebenzisa kama bitla, right? So now into kitlo yetsa. Kitlo sebetsa libitla leo litwanele. Yes.
So meaning it's a battle between the graveyard and that
Thank
person.
you. Mina izandla zami ziclean because when I go there ngihamba ngepower yami, ngihamba nge-energy yami. And I need be scared because I pray a lot, and I trust myself so much. I trust my power and my ancestors. So when I go there, because I can't say about it's scary. A lot of people like how it's happening. So I'm gonna be scared till when? Because now my calling, my gift, because I don't have a calling, my gift is to help, not to destroy. So mangabe uninkinga etuna, you know ukuthi umama wakho shonile and they did 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna jump and say let me go. I will start by consulting ituna qala and see ukuthi mina solve. That's my inner power allows me and my conscience ukuthi mina ngiyafeel ukuthi I can do that. Most of the time is the opposite. Or sometimes I will get people that says, mina prophet nginenkinga, I don't have money ngithola umsebenzi and then ngifuna ukuthwala. You know, I don't know how to do that. I was taught to do that because it's part of the journey. I can't lie. There's no spiritual side that is only clean boot. There is the bad side and the good side.
I get it. That's what I was asking.
Yeah.
To say, if I come with the right money,
yes,
and my case was also, you are not hearing what I'm saying. Ke re nna ko wena, my whole family is being taken out by this one particular individual. Let me say, for instance, hypothetically speaking, this person has been taking out people's life.
Yes.
It happens that I know this person.
Yeah.
And then get like, oh, and I get, okay, you charge 250.
Yeah.
Get over 5,000.
Yes.
Because the people that I love, can you please just, for the sake of other people not to continue to die, because what would stop you from helping me?
I will help you.
You do it.
Yes. Ke tla o thusa.
Kanto ya hore mabitla tla itwanela.
Yes. Ke tla o thusa, because if ke sa o thusa, it means that person will still continue and do that. Mo batho ba bang. Ke tla o thusa. Yeah.
Okay, so this is interesting to mabitla.
Yeah.
Kupa or tut.
Okay.
Ka mabitla.
Okay.
Teach us what we're ignorant of, going to the grave and not knowing. I don't want to say we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Mabon, maybe you just highlight people who are the dangers of going to the graveyard. What's happening?
Okay, I think the only advice I buang, let's say, o batla mabitleng, the first thing o tshwanetse o rapele, because you don't know na o lo hlakana le eng, right? Hence I said graveyards are no more safe for people. So, and also I would advise people to do what? Because you might find when now and you are trapped. Abathakathi bayazi ukuthi silalele emathunini, especially thina abantu mnyama. Yeah, so you have to ukuthi consult eqala and check ukuthi am I safe, you know, because saying that a lot of, let me just say 95% abantu bangekho right la empilweni is because badlalela emathunini and they don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Because remember hore, you are going to step on ilona mobu wa mabitla, and already there are a lot of una di spirits edingad. So that's why I'm saying mau hamba emathunini, pray about it. That is why even when mau shonile we are washizandla zakho ngithi. But in this case I'm saying zama ukuthi wenze njani uthandaze, and after thandazing uyenze njani uphahle, and make sure ukuthi at least if we are khona do a graveyard consultation, which ukuthi lapha nya khona ku safe na, am I gonna attract me, maybe am I gonna get a stroke sefakiwe, because they know ukuthi silalela khona. There are a lot of things, but yeah.
Hang on also, so you are saying most cases as frequently people go to the graveyards, recounted just by stepping there.
Yes.
In most cases.
Yes. Zifana njengama tavern. Yes, this one I feel like the tavern, because they know ukuthi lana abantu bahlala baya khona.
So by stepping in a tavern already, the
yes, so because you are not sure ukuthi lapha e tavern kunani, because a lot of people bayathwala, right? And then you don't know what kind of ritual enzwe lapha e tavern. Now when you are going there to jaiva kube mnandi nan, after that we are ending food. You are carrying all those spirits ending. You now start having problems. Our salary gahle, maybe and stuff. Yeah.
Exactly.
That is how. Yes, that is why. How can I check the tavern? Monga check my tavern. Most of my tavern is either because angas, but it's either kuyaliwa. Because le kuteka nani food engi noticeile. Yeah, kuba nama arguments. Yes, kuba nento eziningi kakhulu ezingekho right that can affect you spiritually.
Limafu.
Yes.
So in most cases. So as we go the real jiva, we're stepping to the territory.
Exactly. And remember hore, most of abantu barana business, they want business to grow again, and then babatla ube sharp ube full of. So obviously, utlobana something eating, and then you become part of the problem. Yeah.
So how do we protect ourselves?
Yeah, you just have to pray. You're not gonna stop. You're not gonna stop going to the club. It's one of those examples saying a lot of people, we take problems from where we la pasi kon, la pasi kon, ama tavern, nama graveyards.
Okay, Osaka. So let us. I wanted to ask you this before we even proceed this further.
Yes.
What's the difference between, you said, a prophet?
Medium prophet.
Medium prophet.
Yes.
What's a difference between just a normal prophet or Muruti or Sangoma?
Okay.
When in particular, what's the distinctive difference about you?
Mina, on my side, I can say, because I'm a medium prophet, I was born with the gift name. So someone who is born with the gift, the difference is Nesangoma. I don't throw bones, right? I can read ungihleli. You understand? Because I was born with that. And that is why I am able to do live readings on air. Because if we're now, you are a spiritual healer, let me just say Sona Sangoma, you have to throw bones first.
Yes.
For you to connect with your ancestors. Now I don't need that. I only use those tools because upgrade. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, I'm only using a mirror reading because now it's not even a mirror. No, that is another part. It's not something that comes from your ancestors. It's a ritual that you have to do when yourself so that you can ask your ancestors you understand? Yeah, so you use a lot of things to be able to do a mirror reading. You understand? So the difference between I and Sangomas is that I don't throw bones. I just go straight to the point and tell you in Kingazako.
Also, what are the worst case situations that you've encountered in your line of business? What's the worst things that made you to say, I think in many years?
Yeah.
I'm sorry to put it like, no, I'm just saying it I think stress. What is it that you have encountered?
Yeah. All right. Okay. I'm doing face-to-face consultations. So normally, because off air, there's a fee. So now there was this other time in a consultation in Middleburg. So they came to Joburg, Baso consult. Then now this lady was an Indotag in to my consultation room. Surely, but I'm in Funugutu. Inking Kaila. So, yo, Inking Kaila, Nyasab. Manje ngithi baba benicela uthi kancane uthi kancane ngicela ukukhuluma nomama. Ay baba lo msuthu hayi akinokhona awuzi. Baba this is a private call. Hayi umfasi wami. Then I'm like, all right. That day boss guys I 1 2 3 4 understand. And then later on umama khona athi selwile yo. This is what I tell people even on air when I do live readings before my show starts. The lady who does the show with me will tell you, Prophet, she's going to be in the building. They know every Tuesday I'm there. Please make a show, Mouse or Fola. Lo mama uno keep her makam. Understand? Nama days nan. Then I'll do e-reading, canting. E-reading now, I'm telling you about somebody onai. You understand? And then that, I think early January, the lady called and said, hi prophet, into nkipelo na yo you know because now you said things that I didn't think good was and you are saying the name and the surname of that person. Then I'm like, what were you expecting? That's why I always tell people, even if you go to a spiritual healer, go with faith, because now I get on some A B. Because now I'm doing live readings on air. But immediately I will tell them you go to you understand? Yeah. So I think
you've given me one.
Okay.
You've given me one.
Oh, another one.
The West also that if you were thinking Sipolino Akinan.
Another thing, I don't know, but it affects me a lot. I'll now start picking energies. And you find it, on my side, other people, dizzy. I become dizzy or I shake because now prophecy sometimes you find it maybe in a bank or a shop or even at work. You know, I also did it at work. Then I said, no, man, I don't like this. I come nand. Yeah, I come nand because uzokhuluma izinto zabantu phambi just like that, and then affect that thing, because now awusiyenzi because kumele ukhulume. Kumele ukhulume.
And then also, let's talk about your mental stability as you are putting it, to say, hey, inalufela ifit, and then you start, and then how do you control yourself? How do you get yourself intact to say, you know what, even when I don't lose myself, I don't lose control?
Yeah, I think for now I've got let me just say, kinali a support. Nginabantu abang-supporter, especially my mom and my uncle, because my son is so young. My mom and my uncle and my fiance, yeah, because normally ngiba, especially man ketukwenza ama-readings or whatever ngiyenza ngiyaqala ngiyagula ngiphathwa ikhanda nani yes, so ivele ngenze njani ngikhulume nabo, I'm not okay sometimes. Mangekho okay, if ngenze into heavy kakhulu langilalisa close, I can sleep the whole day because now I'm spiritually stressed. Awukho mnandi, yes, awukho mnandi. We get depressed spiritually. Yes, because I'm a normal person, so inkinga zabantu ziyas affect nathi. And sometimes iba buhlungu when you find a client or a person okethi kumhlola and you can see ukuthi this thing I can't do it, angikwazi kumnceda, you know, angikwazi, and you don't even know ukuthi maka, so I don't want him or her to go to a wrong person. Zikhona izinto that I can't do everything. You understand? I can't do everything. Kunezinto ezingihlulayo. You find it ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngingamnceda ngani. You understand? Yes.
So you said, just to
yeah,
you said 80% the issues that you have dealt with,
yeah,
the issue yamabika whole,
yes,
whereby people they want to, okay,
yes,
my husband, my brother, my
yes,
sister passed on mysteriously, so we want you to come in.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so normally okay, enye into abantu bathanda ukuthi, I think thina abantu abamnyama sinalento ukuthi mawi a spiritual healer, people they believe ukuthi kumele ube nemali, you must be rich. My ancestors doesn't work like that, you know. People will come to me and just because they know my history, part of my training in Mozambique. So I don't twalisa because of I don't like to do that, right? So normally rather than going ungahambe the twalisa side, kungcono wenze njani? Sebenza ithuna la kamamako or la whoever that you know love to, but it still is a process. I still need to check ukuthi lo muntu lona, are you connecting? You understand? And then lisebenza ukuthi akuphakamele whenever you have a problem, aphakame. Yes, look sebenzele. That is the simple way, not ukuthwalisa.
Also, Kupa, what's this question? I've always had this question in my mind.
Yeah.
So me and you are siblings.
Yes.
Arukwan.
Yes.
I think you did touch a bit, Ghana. Maybe if you can just elaborate further. Harukwan.
Yes.
It happens that you are the only person, ne? That you are the person, go high, maybe, okay, let me not use in particular.
Okay.
These two people, A and B, are
Yes.
siblings. B passes on. Ne? When B passes on, automatically, is that how it works? Whether young or old.
Okay, the way maybe it's before.
Okay.
Just you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when is Auswaka wa
Yes.
So let me just make it clear. These are two questions. How hlokofala jwang? Harutwan. Ki hello.
Yes.
For whatever situation that we are
Yes.
facing as family members
Yes.
today. If you
Yeah.
can go inside our houses, it's a mess.
It's a mess.
It happens that you pass on.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
Then if how hloko and everybody mama close conclude.
Yeah.
Ha ke tsamaya kilo phahla ko wena.
Eh.
And then what happens then?
Nothing will happen. Angeke liphakame.
Kanjani?
Kahle nje ngeke liphakame. Let me be honest with you. The only thing ongaliphakamisa ukuthi likusebenzele is ukuthi ulitshontshe. Nakhona is a deep ritual ozoyenza. It also needs nku, like you know nku enyane. Yes, to do that. Because remember ukuthi asizwani, right? Asizwani, and there is no way that when I die, you are my brother. Ngizokuphakamela kanjani? Asizwani. I always tell people what we are living like in Sabeni. Nangale, it's just that I don't want to go deep. Tinabanya we went to we see what is happening. Impilo esiphila la. into esizoyiphila ngale. The only difference is that we live re phela bophelo bo sa feleng. Are you aware? La sizophila but siyahamba. Ngale in the spiritual world sizophila impilo engapheli.
Ha re hlwana nkam re tlo hlwana le kara.
No, eating ikalela.
Okay.
This we are living siyaphila sonke, right? Whether we like it or not, we are going to die. Right? Now, ngale awufi, you are living uphila impilo engapheli. You're going to be there forever. You're going to be an ancestor forever. Bophelo ba teng ha bo fele ka kwa. Ka mo ka tsamaya fela, right? Now, so when you are my brother, we had issues, I passed on having issues with you. There is no way, Budwam, I won't lie to you, ukuthi ngizophakamela mina ngifuna ukuthi ube nemoto ube nama business kanjani manje singazwani. We don't like each other. That is why I find it difficult kana kongo habara badimo amadlozi now anamanga but do you understand? I'm telling you, they do have things that are not ebangazenzi kahle. Yeah, they do have things that ebangazenzi kahle. For example, your uncle passed on anganamali, right? All of a sudden when uncle wako uthi no umenzela umsebenzi when you didn't have money naye benganamali uthi uyithathe. That is if like iba mangikhuluma ngamanga ngikhuluma ngokuthi they are becoming hypocrites sometimes. You can't ask me something that when obunga nayo. I'm being honest.
Serious.
I'm being honest. Try anyone, a prophet or someone ask her the same question. There is no way that I can go now, Ningatandi, Upalesa, as my cousin. Then when I depart, Upalesa has to fight. I'm pagamise, that's why I'm saying there are certain things that you will do for good so that I can help you, assist you, protect you. Maybe it was like lokanya. We understand? But when I keep going about to someone, do rituals and do that. That is why I'm saying there's a special ritual that is done for you. You understand? Isn't it alone?
Okay, also.
So I think you understood mangiti. I'm trying to say there is no way ukuthi itlozi. Umkhulu uhambe angana sent. Maka seka hambile umkhulu uzokuphakamisa akwenze rich. Ha khona hali. Nna ke tshwanetse ke lo ncenga mkhulu. Mele ngimncenge so that
angiphaka.
Yeah. No. Angithi umkhulu uhambe anganamali. Asikhulumi ngokuhatana manje. Se right nomkhulu wami ushone kahle angithi but banganamali, right?
Okay.
Now, tla no phahla ngutete mkhulu kukupa umphamele what? No. Awufethe ubatla ufethelete ubatla uba rich. No. How no khonagala ntatolo na sina chelete didn't have money mutlogela go ba le gantle but if ufuna ukumvusa muvuse ke umtshele ukuthi ucela lokho then that's why I'm saying there's a ritual that is done uphakamisa uyamaphakamisa no moya wakhe ukuthi ukuphakamela the spirit of that person must fight for you, must work for you, right? Ilapho ngithi mina ngisebenza ithuna ukuthi lukusebenzele ngitonze lapho ngibe ngifuna ukuthi we understand.
Something but
yeah.
Mozambique man ngathi
kunendaba eMozambique
kunendaba like ngathi izinto eziningi ezingalamngoti
No, I think I was very sick ngikule kakhulu ngisasemncane, right? Because I was born with the gift. I think I was 6 years but umama muthi bengine 7, I'm not sure. But I will tell you I still remember the things that I was going through even at school, right? Now come 2020 sengiyaqala ngiyagula ngisakhona ukuhamba, I can't do a lot of things then because mangisasemncane my mom said bakile bankisa ko St John in Secunda dala and then they were told ukuthi sooner or later ngizoqala ukugula but now mele bangenzela umsebenzi so that amadlozi aye phansi like baba koko base bayisoko fans. So in Mozambique I didn't go for Twasa. Now I was born with the gift Twasa.
Now they are coming back to me.
You remember where we were?
we were
Yeah, no, I was asking Kanto. Was this after?
ukuthi ithuna
Yeah, ituna mangabe sekalona segu that important question.
no batla no, you wanted to know whether umuntu mangabe bengikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi ngiyakhona ukulisebenza ukuthi likusebenze.
Yes, kuyona hore right on that note.
Yeah.
Also, if Ria Kolbitling, and then as you said, Mto, there's two issues that I'm understanding you.
Yeah.
The issue apele ki e ya hore ne re sa utlwana.
Yes.
Tlamele olberek.
Yes.
And then onana hana chelete tlamele olberek. Right there and then, ha esale nkareng.
Get two different things.
Yes.
Say re deala ka someone that was not close to you but
Yes.
really your family.
Yes.
And then re deala ka
Osnang
umkhulu ongana
tjhelete.
chelete.
And then you have to do those deep rituals.
Exactly.
Already right there and then. Is there any authenticity yamo or kore siga, look, whether you like it or not, mto nasa orate, it won't work if you go on your own way. Secondly, abubedi hana chelete, it won't work. So the only way that I have is for you to do the ritual, the deep ritual. Okay.
Yeah. Nakhona ithi ngibheka kanje. Asi it's not every closie eliphilayo like ezothi mangiliphakamisa liphakame. You know, because abanye uthi ukuthi sebasebenzile, there are some ancestors that are paralyzed. Angazi ukuthi you understand. Kunamadlozi angasasebenzi because now they are limited to certain things, other things they can't do because now bavaliwe. Angithi they bazokhona ukwenza lokho enye into angeke bakhona. Ufana namadlozi lawa asebenza nge-time, you know, season. Yes. So itla ga ke ke libereka abare belisa phagame. I will tell you ukuthi abakhona ukuphakama abaphakame at all because now they are paralyzed, abana energy and there's nothing that I can do. Ime yabo seyisebenziswe kakhulu. I've done a lot. Because remember sebaparalyzed abasakhona ukuphakama kahle, and now if I do that izothatha isikhathi. Instead of wasting your time, I will tell you ukuthi rather uthandaze nje, just pray for your breakthrough and ucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi akuphakamele. That's the only way. And iqiniso.
No matter how much we used to love each other with that person.
Yes. If I go, ubuka ngalo ongayenzi.
No, you're right. I'm on the same note with you. I'm just saying if balisebenzisitse a whole those lew. There's nothing
le paralyzed. Yes, le paralyzed. Ithuna lakhona likhona nali. The spirit is there but it's weak. Because now ugembuluwe wonke umuntu ofunda ukuthakatha ngamathuna ongena kuye omunye ufuna ukuthwala libahlule abanye bangasakhona. You understand? So I'm going there to deal with somebody who doesn't exist at all. Ifana iqisha fana kanjalo.
Ukuthwebula sis idlozi king too.
It's like stealing someone's spirit.
Okay.
Yeah, stealing someone's spirit and use it for your own things. That is why kunabantu bathwala ngamathuna abantu. It's not exactly ituna, the spirit of the person. Uyakhona ukulisebenzisa ulifake somewhere, then you can even create itogology. That is why I'm saying ukuthi abantu bayathwala. That is why utla ukonsothi khona le muntu okwething uthwele ngumntana kubo. This is how it goes. It depends ukuthi umbulele okanye uthathe the spirit of that person wali creator then wathwala ngalo. And imali njalo kumele livuselelwe each and every time you have to do something, you know, ukuthi into zakho siphakame. Yeah.
Also, what's the most normal trend eribo now? Umuntu makayenza isipani da. Maybe uqeda ukuthola ithenda nyana elithile, uqeda ukuthola isipani.
Yeah.
Ayenzi ahlaba twenza itiye. Asimeme dathi no hadebe ngoba sithanda igawulo maybe thithi vele siyabhaziseka la kunetende siyangena.
Yes.
In most cases when I also can you just highlight it to people like me or ignorant or mutu hansa bua to that animal, what is it that we are taking? What happens in that instance?
Magayenza njani magaseka slaughter.
How does those things affect me? Kilo jafelo ra hadebe moneng yenza itiye la.
Okay. I don't think it affects anyone because when you don't know anything, right? The only thing e ka kgona affect maybe ke ha ile gore maybe that the animal that I slaughterile, she or he was doing it for rituals, mhlambe ngithi ufuna ukuthwala ngayo. That's when nina lizotonseka, you are going to be weak spiritually. You understand? Because now you are affected by the whole ritual that was done there. Mhlambe uzothi wonke umuntu ozofika la ama powers wakhe akaye phansi kuphakame mina, you know. So that's when the problem can ingale affect ukuthi wena usibize ukuthi hayi man why into zami zingahlangani kanti lapha boye khona emsebenzini la lapha kusebenze khona whatever umgidi nanana. The person that was doing that ritual ukhulume nale the animal nesilwane lena ukuthi wonke umuntu ozongena la ane power right ngicela zize decide. Yes, that's when you're going to be affected. But it's something that can be ikafana la ngotloga like you are going to do cleansing and bali tise but also all those things.
So meaning how invite and I go there? Should I go there ki rapetse ki le strong
Yeah,
or
you must-
fela
You must pray against every power, every negative whatever that will happen to mono weskatla mo when. You have to pray.
Or should you just say we're thinking I don't even want to pray so go.
Yeah, it's fine, Lausai. It's okay.
Is it safe for us to keep on going or umuntu atwenza kanti kutwenza
Na personally, I get it. I get it, to be quite honest, because I've seen a lot of people doing a lot of things, especially anything that exchange knife and yeah, I right. It's like even if you can borrow someone a knife and say like mutaka kupa unkadime umboleki me senifuna ukwenza inkukhu or whatever, don't, because you don't know ukuthi after that thing uzwenzani ngayo. The following day uzokutshela ukuthi angisayiboni angiyazi ukuthi ngibeke phi. It's not right. It's not
the
right.
next thing someone dies
Because now we say yes. Ifana nalento leyo.
bafethu lapha emakhaya niyamuzwa sistere uyayibeka indaba yakhe ngendlela asebenza ngayo. I know sometimes inokunyathela amakhonzi ukuthi yatebe senasijwayela nina senifuna unsubscribe. No, usistere is narrating what she's been dealing with ngomsebenzi. So we want to know as much as you might want to know, and I always say guys, I plead with you guys to say, if you feel that you contradict into Muntai show here, please feel free to come through. We don't judge. We don't come in umuntu akafika bese Sophia sikufake with that. Angisungu Debra Phat ngusipho hade umuntu ioutakase kaswenqanywa. So that is why ngafiki awusibuwa nithi wena rejuwate no uzele on her own accord. So there's no hade bozuthena kube 30 degree le so the podcast yasekase shamachita sekasa funa ukuphakamisa. So if you think ukuthi zo ayisipho wena mama take it easy, calm down. If Kimkwe eat your hair when and then come and contradict and say your piece, and then I know my viewers, they will skabanka stuff, but again, my viewers I know so let us be very careful, guys. So Ausi came here on her own accord. There's no way we're going to play judgmental a conversational. We don't do that. Not at all. And unfortunately, if you're sitting there thinking, you didn't do justice, there's no justice for nothing. Umuntu comes in their own accord, they tell their story. We ask questions. That is why we always say, guys, Lapemakaya, let us know what you think. Tell us your thoughts. If there's anything that you feel, if you want sister to come back, most definitely, the numbers will tell. Then we'll bring it back. If you want questions that you want us to address to Sis, jot them down and then we'll ask Sis those questions. But then she has stated a story. So at the end of the day, it boils down with Bafetu, Asquashi Sanin, Asboni Sanin, and all let it be done under respect. And with Bafet, let us be open-minded. If there's one thing that I still say as Uhatel, I hate this thing of judging one another. I mean, if there's one thing I'm pulling to have, you see judging other people, I, my sister, my brother, my father, my mother, be careful, it shall be done unto, and 10 times more. Sipoate Basotho podcast. Let us know what you think. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. If you are not happy, you still want more from us, sister, let us know. Sizombuyisa bafethu. Sizombuyisa. Siyabonga. Danke, siyabonga. Ayoba, we are out.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayoba.